Just a final question, Chairman. How do we know that the data that we get from the individuals is accurate? For example, I don't know if it was this census or a previous one, there was a thing going around online about ticking other for religion and writing in that you were a Jedi Knight. And if enough people did it, then we'd have Jedi Knight as religion in Ireland, officially. Is that possible, or is that just...
Well, it's possible in our census form, but I can tell you that how is this... How... No, but it didn't happen because this is Ireland. No, how do we know that the information is accurate? If you compare the information from one census to the other, and you compare it at a detailed level of geography and by age group, single year of age, you'll get remarkable consistency. I mean, this, you could ask, like, why do we hold censuses of population every 5 years? And the reason is, of course, because the population is so volatile in terms of the immigrants and emigrants and that's one of the main reasons in the small area dimension. But, like, the data are extremely robust from census to census. So I'd be more than amazed if people put down, and this is coming back to the Chairman's earlier point, by the way, about businesses as well. I'm not convinced that people just tick boxes. I think, again, looking at our business statistics over time, you get remarkable stability in the data, which points to the fact that people are taking this stuff seriously.
Mr. Punch, do we have any...
Sorry?
I take the box.
do we have any Jedi Knights in Ireland?
No, I don't think anybody ticked that. And in fact, all of the things that were written in on the, if you didn't tick one of the boxes on the religion, is what you're talking about here now, you get to write in what your particular religion is if it's not one of the 3 or 4 that are specified. I don't think on this occasion we came up against any of those. No.
They might have left.
Well, I think the summary is if somebody wishes under religious denomination to consider themselves as a Jedi Knight, well, then the CSO is quite prepared to accept it as a Jedi Knight, because it's self-declaration, and whether such a thing exists or not is immaterial. But we could probably tell you ultimately the number who have recorded themselves as such, but we don't publish it.
Fair enough. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chairman. I have to say, if you do come back to us with a follow-up note on the number of Jedi Knights in Ireland, it'll probably be the most unusual piece of correspondence the Public Accounts Committee has ever received. I just have